Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, we are here with a solution. This is Property Cloud, your favorite prop tech service. With what exactly is a prop tech service? This is the place जहाँ पर हम आपको करवाते हैं virtual site tours. Now, what are virtual site tours? I'm gonna tell you. What I will do is I will take you on property visits right over here on your mobile phone or on your laptop, and then I will tell you everything about the project that I'm at, including the land parcel, the number of towers, the kind of apartments that they would have, and I'll also show you the sample flat if it is ready. Now, once you've seen everything, after that you can shortlist the properties that you have liked, and then our salesperson will take you on a free pickup and drop service for that property. What we actually do is that we directly connect you to the developer. उससे होता ये है कि आपको कोई ब्रोकरेज नहीं भरना पड़ता है और कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं होते हैं. उसी के साथ साथ आपको मिल जाता है बॉटम प्राइस भी और काफी सारे अदर डिस्काउंट्स जो बाकी के लोगों को नहीं मिलते हैं क्योंकि देयर आर मिडलमैन इन्वॉल्व. Now there's a lot more that I need to talk to you about, लेकिन उससे पहले let me also take you to one of the projects and show you where I am going today. And here I am at one of the most premium projects at Mahalakshmi, and this project is called The Avenue. Well, there's so much that I need to tell you about the project, but first I want to really give you an overview of the project and show you the complete project. How am I gonna do that? Stay with me. Now, this is the complete land parcel that you can see, which is of approximately 3.85 acres, and there are going to be only 2 towers over here. This that you can see is the parking and the basement levels, and right on top of it, after 7 floors, would be the amenities. Now, these are the amenities that you can already see over here, multiple amenities with the jogging tracks, with the play areas, the gymnasiums, the clubhouse, the swimming pools, and a lot more. But what is most important is this tower. Now, these towers are going to have only 4 BHK apartments starting from 2100 to 2700 square feet, and it's going to be a completely low density project. Now, along with all of this, of course, as I mentioned, it's a premium project. So what else is going to be premium about it? That's right over there, and this is the rooftop amenities as well. Here are your rooftop amenities like the infinity pool, the deck area, and also these are the solar panels that are going to be on the roof. And here is the lounge area that's also going to be on the rooftop. And now it's time to see what the sample flat or the original apartment is going to look like from inside. Let's go. And this is the apartment, which is the 2234 square feet. As you can already see, it is pretty huge, pretty beautiful. But what I loved most about it is this glass wall. Now, why am I calling it a glass wall? Because it is practically speaking a transparent space right inside your house over here, from where you can get the best of the views. As I already told you that the residences begin from 7th floor onwards, so the views are always going to be beautiful and uninterrupted. Along with that, this is not just a fixed window, so you can already see this over here. It is a sliding window that opens up for maximum ventilation. I'm not opening it right now because I just tried doing that some time back and the wind was all inside. उसी के साथ साथ यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगी ये toughened glass railing भी, because of which there is of course safety and security, but your view stays uninterrupted. Talking about uninterrupted, I'm sure you've already taken a look at this uninterrupted living and dining space over here, and this over here is your dining area or the dining space. This has been done up extremely beautifully, but you know what, I'm not able to get enough of this house. So let me start by showing you the bedrooms, and then we will come back to the kitchen. So let's just begin with the bedrooms over here. This is your foyer area or the aisle area, where I'm going to bring you back again very soon. But first of all, the bedrooms. So let's take a look at this one over here first. This is the first bedroom of the house that again comes with this glass window over here. Half of this window is fixed over here until this place, and then comes this part wherein you get your standing balcony, and this window will open up completely and will give you the best of the ventilation again. As I told you, I'm not gonna experiment that, but I had to show you the window over here. So yes, this is what it would be like, and it also has an attached toilet and wash to it. Let's take a look at that one as well. The shower cubicle and the CP sanitary fittings are part of the standard flat furnishings over here. Right opposite this room is the second bedroom over here, and this room also comes with a similar pattern of window, half of it being fixed and half of it opens to let in the wind inside. Now if you're wondering where I'm standing, well, this is your dresser area specifically made for this room, and it also has an attached washroom right over here. And this is the third bedroom of the house. Again, over here is the dresser area, which can be utilized for your dresser or your wardrobe, and this is the attached toilet and wash to it. This bedroom also comes with the similar pattern of window that we saw in the previous two bedrooms. And here is your master bedroom. Right at the entrance of this is this great space over here that can be utilized for your wardrobes so that it does not congest your bedroom over here. And this is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom again has the similar kind of a window that we saw, and I absolutely love the views, from over here. You can actually get very good views in case you are facing the amenity part. Else also you will get very nice views. And also let's not forget to take a look at the attached toilet and wash right over there. This over here is the attached toilet and wash of the master bedroom. Well, while we were leaving from this area, passing into the bedrooms, maybe you forgot to see the study. So I thought I'll take you through the study as well. This is the study area, which can also be utilized as a puja ghar or a study area or a workstation as well. Now, when we are talking about the workstation, this is your bar area. And I've also not showed you one more thing, and that is the powder washroom, which is right over here, and it has great accessibility to your living and dining area as well. And from this bar counter over here, let's now take a look into the kitchen also. Kitchen is right over here. Now the kitchen comes with this granite top, and also it ends at this vegetable and utensil sink as well. And once the kitchen is over, here is your dry utility area. Now you're wondering, where did I enter from? Well, this is not just your dry utility area. This is also your servants' quarter. Let me tell you how. And here are your vegetable and utensil sink. This is the utility area, and also this is another toilet over here for the help or the servants' quarter as we are calling it. And this is the place where is the service exit. This is the place where we just entered the house into. Let's go out of here together. And the lobby area. Well, I'm sure now after you've seen all of this, you are wondering how can you come over here and book the property? And I'm sure there are so many questions that are there in your mind. Well, stay with me. I'm going to tell you what exactly you need to do. Now that you've seen the property, you want to know how can you go ahead with the booking process or how can you visit this place? Well, it's very simple. Captions mein there's a link mentioned. All you need to do is simply click on that link and then our salesperson will get in touch with you and then will help you shortlist the properties depending on your needs and your requirements and your choices. After that, you can of course do the property site visits absolutely free of cost, as I told you earlier, with no brokerage, as I told you earlier, and also with the best payment options and best payment offers as well, as I told you earlier. Now that I've told you everything earlier, you need to very quickly click on the link that's mentioned in the caption and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep seeing such more beautiful properties in your vicinity and across the globe. Well, stay tuned with me, Ekta Kapoor, on Property Cloud for more such beautiful properties. Thank you.